Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a PlayStation Network (PSN) account. Whether you're a new PlayStation user or just want to create a new account, this guide will ensure you have everything you need to get started. Step 1. Visit the PlayStation Network website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official PlayStation Network website at playstation.com /device, https://www.playstation.com /device. This is where you'll be able to create your new PSN account. Step 2. Click on Sign Up for PSN. Once you're on the PSN page, look for the option that says Sign Up for PSN. Click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to a new page where you can initiate the account creation process. Step 3. Select your region and language. On the next screen, you will need to select your country, region, and preferred language. This is important as it ensures that you receive information and support relevant to your location. Make your selections and click Next. Step 4. Read and accept the terms of service. You will be presented with the PlayStation Network Terms of Service. It's essential to read through these terms carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the box to accept them and press Next to continue. Step 5. Enter your account information. Now, fill in your account information. This includes your email address, password, and online ID, your PSN username. Make sure to choose a password that is secure but memorable. Confirm your password and then proceed. Step 6. Fill out your profile information. Next, you will be asked to complete your profile information. This includes your name, date of birth, and gender. All this information helps personalize your PSN experience. After filling out the required details, click Next. Step 7. Set your privacy and online settings. At this point, you will have options for privacy settings, including who can see your profile and gameplay activity. Adjust these according to your preferences. After customizing your settings, hit Next to proceed. Step 8. Verify your email address. After your account is created, check your email inbox for a verification email from PlayStation. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. This step is critical for ensuring the security of your account. Step 9. Sign in to your new account. Once your email is verified, return to the PlayStation Network website and sign in using your new PSN account credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your PlayStation Network account. Step 10. Explore PSN features. Now that you're signed in, take some time to explore the various features of the PlayStation Network, such as the PlayStation Store, friend requests, and online gaming options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.